5 ways to manipulate text in Excel. Trim function. To get rid of unwanted spaces in your text, use the trim function. Trim. Select text to trim. Left and right function. To obtain the airline code, first 2 characters of the flight number. And flight code, last 3 characters of the flight number. Use steps. Left. Select text. Number of characters 2. Right. Select text. Number of characters 3. Len function. This returns the length of a word. Try it. Len. Select text. Mid function. To get the digits from this number plate, use the mid function. Mid. Select text. Start number, enter 4, because 2 is the 4th character of the text. Number of characters, enter 2. Text cases. Use the upper, lower and proper function to manipulate the case of texts in Excel.